This recipe comes with a warning. You may never eat oatmeal the traditional way ever again. This baked oatmeal recipe is so good and it comes together so quickly, and with the baking, you don't have to stand over the stove. We're just all so busy with our lives. We all have so much stuff going on, so it's easier when you can just put something in the oven, bake it, and it'll take care of itself and be so delicious in the end. Even more delicious than the stovetop version. We're gonna need our rolled oats. We're gonna add our oats, milk, and this is soy milk, applesauce, vanilla. Mix all of that up together. Add our coconut flour, or you could use oat flour, coconut sugar, salt, cinnamon, a little bit of baking powder. So I'm just going to get all of this combined. Perfect. And then I'm going to add in some of this shredded coconut. I mixed in coconut here as a mix-in, but you could certainly add raisins, fresh fruit, other dried fruit, chocolate chips, whatever you like. How easy is that? I've got a loaf pan. I'm going to line that with parchment paper. You could also grease your pan if you prefer. I'm just going to put our oatmeal into the pan. Push that out to the sides here, corners. Make sure it's spread out nicely. There we go. Perfect. And now I'm going to add our toppings. Raw walnuts. Now we're ready to bake. Look at that. It's like you're having a cake for breakfast. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. And I'll see you next time.